and welcome back to the Urban Cook. Today I'm going to do a sort of like little made up meal. I've got some pork. This is a pork joint we had the other day, so we've got some leftover here. I've got some garlic, I've got white onion, carrot, courgette, some random sweet peppers, some chestnut mushrooms, I think I said onion, some very lazy chopped ginger. I've got some hoisin sauce, soy sauce and some sesame wok oil, and over there in a steamer I've got some egg noodles, which I'm going to try and steam them instead of cooking like doing them in water. So we'll see how they come out. So we'll get cracking and sort all these veggies out. Okay, so we get some sesame wok oil. You can see that. Add our onions and garlic. Some very lazy ginger, chopped ginger. Now we have our pork here. So I'm going to do this. cut it into some long slices. And add that to the pan. Add our courgettes, carrots and peppers. Add our mushrooms. Now we'll add some water, a chicken stock cube, add our noodles in. And by the way, steaming them didn't work. So we'll put the lid on that, let that cook through with the noodles. I'm going to chop up some spring onions for dressing, and then I'm going to put some hoisin sauce and some soy sauce in that when I think it's done. So we'll see you back in a minute. Okay, so we've got our hoisin sauce. If I can get it out. And some dark soy sauce. Few minutes and that'll be done. Okay, so there we go, we've got our pork chow mein sort of thing with some egg noodles, chopped vegetables, our pork joint which was all cut up, which we had the day before and 2 days before, and some soy, some hoisin and all that good stuff. But I'll list all the ingredients in. Some of it was made up on the fly anyway, so thank you very much for watching. It smells absolutely lovely, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later guys, bye.